balik pa.
May goro pagkaon ng usa.
How to spot a Filipino?
Here. Rice cooker.
Grabe. Wow. Hi.
Let's go, Mama. Come on. Pag kayo nagsugod, nagpapugod ka rin.
Hey guys. So we're going to watch Mantra.
Makag-vlog magkakaroon no.
Kaya pa? For ano rin eh? Documentation purposes. Lujongs. Lujongs. Zion Shuttle.
Angels Landing sa Canada. Mopunta sa Angels Landing. Yeah, he does. When he figures that I'm not, when he figures I'm not checking him, he does. I think you guys are not.
So muna na among kalaki no. Ang magpuyos balay.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey. Hey. Where are you going? Oh. Riley. Picture. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
The model.
Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, so start na sa Watchman Trail. Yeah. Hike Batrada. So, picture ba sila? Nag-cry kayo, baby. Ikaw, baby, kumusta mo ka na, baby? So, yeah. Watchman Trail. Mama kami. Watchman Trail with my baby. Bibi. What can you say, baby? Hey! We're not even halfway.
But I'm tired already. We just started.
So yeah. Are we gonna go on the top?
Nope.
Sige pa? We needed this. Para sa uban. Kapoy lang mi. But para sa amo, it's a therapy. Diba? To get away from the city. Right, Ma?
Look at the rocks behind us. Kana? Moment tong nasa picture.
Ano itong likod o bitaw? Tawa na yung kalaki yan eh.
It's so hot.
Ano? Kaya pa?
Tigsalta mo.
Hindi na. Ano sa taas? Ano sila guys? Sila nang nag-iban sila wait sa ilang mga backpack. Nagipang kapoy na.
Kita ba gikapoy? Mas slow and steady space rata guys.
Parang kami na ako mahilat.
This is nice.
Hey.
Hi.
Like,
Feel like I'm gonna get sick after this.
dugga ang bibi mo, tayo musukal. Hey guys. The vlog is Bisaya English. Okay?
Riley, do you want more? Here, Riley. Could you please turn around? Here.
Yay!
Sir,
maayo gud to yung plano, sir. Mapalit tag beron niya.
Diba? I got a friend.
Nasa lagitas
Hi.
inilain.
Okay, ma. Hey. So it's like a 2.5 hour trail. You know. You hug, baby. You hug, hike. Ako inuna ni. Guys, magutol ba tayo ni? Utol ba? Ugna. Hey guys!
Hi, welcome to
Look.
vlog. Jay, isa Jay.
Murag kuyapan naman ka mong sa. Unsa na lang kung mag-adjust lang.
Hey.
Jay, tim anak.
Oh yeah, once we're here upstairs.
Ma,
Tanawa sa limang ka-relax ka ayo.
sana all.
Trail nga siya.
Prinsesa jud ka day.
Hey guys, abot na gid mi. Mga sawag eh. Ikapoy. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, so we should not go that way, right? Because then that will take us somewhere else.
No,
We have to go back this way.
I think so.
Very simple na picture na ba?
Picture pa sila. All right, let's go down.
Naantindi. Pitik-berik na naman tim anak, girl.
Parang sala makakindi.